Hey guys, Pete, SCRacing here with some more products for the ZX4RR. This specifically for the 40th anniversary edition. First we have the seat cowl. This replaces the passenger seat. It's a factory OEM part. I have them painted professionally to match the tail, which looks best in my opinion. It's a pearl white. And then we have an exhaust hanger. If you want to remove the passenger pegs and have a nice blank, this is the way to go. This is painted the same as the frame of the bike. So if you're going to put a cowl on there, not going to have them passengers, you need something to hang the exhaust can to. This is the way to go. Lots more videos to come. Stay tuned.